Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about washing machine. Number 1. A washing machine is a household appliance. Number 2. It cleans clothes automatically. Number 3. Washing machines come in different sizes. Number 4. They use water and detergent to clean clothes. Number 5. They can also help save water and energy. Number 6. Washing machines were invented in the 1850s. Number 7. The first washing machines were hand-powered. Number 8. Electric washing machines were invented in the early 1900s. Number 9. Washing machines can save your time and effort by laundering your clothes. Number 10. There are different types of washing machines such as top loading and front loading. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.